Hello and welcome. I am Biggie Star. Hit that like and that subscribe button and leave a comment so I know you're liking the videos. Now, we are at the new fuel-powered power plant. Now, you may see I've done a bit of aesthetics with the power, and you'll notice everything's done. Everything is actually done and dusted now. I've got all the pipe work in, all the wires in. That's all done. Every machine is set to off because I didn't want to turn it on until I was recording. Now, if you have a look here, look, we also have our storage for everything as well. So on saying that, let's go down. Let's turn on some of these machines and see how much power we can generate. Now, these are set to 600. And that's only to get rid of the... so I've made sure I've got them. Those over there are set to 300. I know the pipe work I've got can only really do 300. But it's just one of them. We're just going to have to hang fire until we can get where we need to do. So that's got water. Is that actually on? Yeah, it is on. Oh, they are on, are they? Oh, there you go then. So how can they be on? Oh, are they on? Nah, they're on. Let's turn them off. The water is being generated. That's going to pump up there, all the way up. Up to the refineries to start making our plastic. This one is now pumping oil. So that'll be slowly generating power. Let's turn this one on for the plastic. And here we go. Oh, it's all happening now. This is where it's going to the good bit. Oh, just so eager to see how much power we've got. I know we haven't got it all, because obviously we haven't got the Mark IIs yet. Oh, hello. I paused it. You pumping. This is also, we also need to see if all our pipe work has enough pressure in it to get it to the power stations, or if we've got to put more pumps in. So they are now pumping. Oh, I've also done the milestone for the industry manufacturer, so I can go complete that as well. I've actually got the frames. The frames working as well now. That's working well. So we need to do the encased beams and the stators. So let's have a look. We're looking for green lights across the board. Oh, I've got some yellow because it's not fully in yet. Yeah, it's not fully pumped yet. I've also added 2 of these here. So the pipe work now goes from round here into here, because I wanted to just have a buffer on the off chance. It's making plastic. Damn, that was quick. Oh, look at that. Why is that not going anywhere? Oh, we are not going anywhere for some reason. That's why it's not going anywhere. Now, because it's plastic, I have done over abundance of storage. I know we're going to need this storage for the plastic, so I've gone overboard. Same with the rubber. The rubber's over there. But I've because we've got 5 refineries over here making plastic, what I've done is, same principle, I've come out, joined them all together, come out, and then I've put it in to the back end. So that'll skip these entire 3 here, but that'll come in the back end there and it'll go to the end there. Which is superb. That's all. So that's pumping. So let's get back up top. See, hopefully we've got all the green lights. Go and make sure that the rubber is also connected, because I can see it's not. Let's get a belt ready. Let that go. Look at that. Ding, 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 ding. Because we want if these aren't producing fuel, then they won't be powering 10 of the generators. But we are going to move some of this material, because we're going to move it to our other factories that need plastic and rubber. So these are all going well. How many you got? Oh, you actually getting any at all? Not a lot. You're not getting a lot either. It's getting some though. So you seem to be backed up. Are you backed up? It's getting enough. It's working. So is that ending actually working, or have we got to put a pump in it? Let's get a pump. Let's move that there. Just to make a little bit of a power. Get that pumping away. So that's it. Current in pipe 12. Flow rate 300, 300, which we want. That's maxed out. That's maxed out. That's maxed out. That's getting there now. Yes. That's still a bit slow. Let's go check the rubber side of it. What if I just need to give it time? Mind you, it's a bit... Yeah, it's a bit weak down this side. Might leave it. Because that did look like it was bumping up then. If that goes to 6, that's going to work up. I don't think I need the pump on the other side. See, that should work straight away again. Will it get to... It won't now. So we might need the pump. There's no oil in there. How much is in that? 300 in that. What we're going to do, I'm going to actually put a pump in there, I think. Go from there, pump it all the way down there. Have I got a power anywhere I can... No. No, I haven't. So we've got to make one. Let's get that all the way over to the pump. Can't get that for some reason. Thank you. To there. Why no power? You have no power. Because that one is not connected to that one. Now you should have power. Yes, it's green. And now let's see what this black is doing. I think that'll be it now. I think that should be fine. That should work its way up now. That should be happy days. There you go. It's got to 6. See what just... Yeah, look at that. That starts pumping up. That'll be building up, that will. That... Need to get that one full. Once that one gets full, we'll be happy days. It'll work down. If we go check this last one here then. Still not. Mind you, we need these to fill up, don't we? See, that one's nearly filled up. Then once that's filled up, all the excess will go to the next one. Is that even filling up, or is that maxed out now? Oh, it is, yeah, it's getting there, it's getting there. I nearly seen 50. There you go. So that means that one there should be now getting the excess. That needs some time to run, I think. How are we going? Yes, we are producing some. You're producing fuel. I really honestly think we're going to have to put some pumps in here somewhere. I'll be shocked if this actually makes it all the way. 189, not fully. Oh, don't want to delete it. Oh yeah, I've also I've made a gantry. I'll show you. So what I've done, I've made a walkway around it so I could literally go and see what's on, what's not on. Why is that not working? Oh, might need to have a look at that in a second. Obviously all those won't work because that side of it is not on. That's got power all the way down. On them 10. They're all working. Right, now let's go to troubleshoot this side. Why aren't you working? Water. Why you not got the water? Do we need pumping there? Right. Where is it? There it is. Two water extractors should be ample for that. Might go down and check them in a minute. Let's get back up. See how these are doing on this side. It's just the end one there that we haven't got power. So that oh no, 3. This is actually coming off the those 5 there. So I'm hoping eventually they will get the power up. All those are working. Again, those aren't working, those 5 there, because we haven't got the pipe work to do that. So what we're looking at, we've got 10, about 30 power stations working there, I say then. So, Mr. Power Station, how much are we actually getting? 7,200. That's very inconsistent. That's not getting oil. That is. That one is. Now we need to go and look at that resin, because the water, because if that resin shuts off, the power plant will be dead in the water for a bit. That's got that. That's on yellow. Why are they on yellow? How much are you making? 120, 240. I don't want 180. 150. Well, if I do 180, and that's 120. That's 300. You'll set, yeah, you'll set it that. $12 in the bark line at the minute. Nothing. How come we got... There's no flow rate there, why is that? That's full of water, that's why. So if they're full of water, why is they not working? Let's go have a look. See, that oil one's working like a treat. Question is, why aren't the others? So that's slowly building up now. That's what I want. Superb. That's running well. These are not running at all. No water. No water. No water. No water. Colour me curious. That's why. That's better, look. That should get them all going now. The problem is that the headlift was encased in that. I didn't see it in that foundation. So hopefully now, when I get back up there, the plastic should be underway. The machine should be working. So let's go back over there. Yeah, I could have done all this troubleshooting, turned it on, and then gone, oh yeah, oh look, I've turned it on, no problems. But that just won't be true, would it? So I like to put the problems in because I've never turned it on, so I don't know if it's working right or not. Same with that there. Why is that not getting... That's maxed. It's full. Oh, full. That's what I like to see. Must be the resin that's keeping them then. 183, yeah, we need to get rid of that resin, like ASAP. We may have a little problem. It's 5. How much are they producing? 3 a minute. Oh, I shouldn't have a problem then. That's got no crude oil. Why has that got no oil? Oh yeah, that's a 5, isn't it? Aha. That's right. So that one's on yellow, isn't it? Why is that on yellow? Too much resin in it. Right, okay. I can see what's happening here. So what we're going to do is... What we will do there is, we will put a splitter. I don't think I can do a smart splitter, can I? Oh, I need a control unit. But I ain't got the stuff to make the control unit. That's going to be a problem, because if that stops making fuel, then our generators will go down. So... That's not what I want. What do I need for the control unit? I can make one. That's all I want to make. That'll do, mate. So what we're going to do is here... All the plastic being made. Oh, beautiful. Just to clear that line up. Because, yeah, it's full and it's running, but we want to make it so it's running right. If we do that there, like that. Go centre is output and it'll be left as overflow. We need a sink. So because of that, I am going to use a 3, come down that way. Apparently I'm in the way. Why does it tell you that that's in line when it certainly is not? Look, how's that in line? Makes no sense, sir. But who's gonna jump up here and go? That's not in line, sir. Now it is. That can go in there. There should be a power thing somewhere. Should be a power. There we go. Look, I'll nab off that one. All that excess now is gonna go into there. So if I can get up here and have a look at this. Make sure I've done this right. So they are still going on. All the excess is going down there. Might need to go and do the same over there then. Because when we've got 10 of these, should be only 30, but they're using 60, so I don't know why we. Unless it's just to get rid of the backup because they've all clogged up. See, these ones here look on. These aren't clogged up at all. Well, peculiar that side's blocked up. I don't think this will stay here. I think we'll be able to get rid of the sink. I think it'll work efficiently without the see, look, now they've all gone, look. Excellent, that's fantastic. That's all running, they're all running. Not all them are running. Let's have a look at that then. Or are they all running? That's not getting enough power. That's backing up, that's why. That's backed up. They need to back up. Yeah, it's doing it slowly. So if we go to this one, is this one backed up then? No, that's not backed up yet. That's slowly happening. See, that one's backed up, so that one now should start backing up. Should start seeing some improvements to that. Don't look like it though. But I have done it tight. I have pushed my calculations to the limit. So it might actually be how it is. Why is that saying nothing? That's making 2,200. That's better. Wasn't connected to the grid. Everything else connected to the grid. I will go check that on my travels. That is connected to the grid. They're all inside. They're all in like series, so I know that if one's connected, they all are. Sure, this one is. Yep. And we've got another tend to do when we've got the 600 pipes. Let's check, make sure everything is running happy days. It looks like it is. That's producing plastic. That's producing plastic. Oh my god, that's producing plastic at a silly rate. So that's backing up slowly. That is backing up very slowly, but it's backing up. Might not need those buffers, but I've got them on the off chance. I'd rather have them and not need them, and instead of needing them and not having them. They are beautiful. That's running so sweet. Oh my word, that is so much rubber. I think we might need to increase our storage on rubber. It's all going that way this time first, is it? Oh my god, look at that, what we've got already. The plastic one I did overboard. Like, so overboard. But again, I've been told by a good friend of mine that, if not my best friend, that that's actually going to be a hot commodity in the future. Plastic. That's going that way then. But ends down. I thought it ended down here, really. Other end. But it ends somewhere. Have I not but I ain't connected them at end. But that's not connected at the end. Oh, we have mysteriously lost all our plastic. I know. I don't know how much I've got now. Look at that one. Whoa! That's only just been online for like, what, 30 minutes? Get in. Yes. Excellent. I'll leave that to run a bit. We're going to go back to base. We're going to hand in that milestone. Look at the other milestones. Try and sort those out. Ooh. Get there. I'm going to leave this all running. I'm looking for about 12,000 watts I think we'll get from that. With the other 10 on. I've got so much rubber on me. Take some of those on the off chance that we need them, and the rotors. Why are you not green? Oh, they're waiting. Now they're waiting for resin. So if I get rid of that and that, if they now waiting for resin, bingo. All they are is ready just to get the resin out of here, out of the power plants. But we haven't got all 6 on yet, all 10 power plants on yet. So it will be hit and miss with those. That side again, 10's doing that 5. So it's like you won't get them all working constantly. Just look at how much plastic we've got. Let's get that going. shoot on back. It is operational. Power plant 2.0. It's half operational. We need to get them 600. We need Mark II lines. Once we've got the Mark II lines, I can then start. I can then start doing the other 20. But this means now we've got that much power. Even now, while I'm waiting for that, we can do the encased beams. We can upgrade the stone one. We can upgrade the automated wired one. The Criterion wire one. We need to make a motor factory. But again, I don't know whether to... With the motor factory, I don't know whether... Because we've got the rotors. And we're going to make the stators somewhere. The stators somewhere. I don't know whether to send everything via train to a factory. Have it unload, send it straight down to make the motors. Because then I think we'll be able to make more motors quickly and stuff like that. So I don't know. Something I need to work at. That is all stood. So that's telling me they're all full. Okay. I also need to get the quartz up here. I want to get the walls and that started. You can see all the frames are being made beautifully. Why is that all yellow? No, we have not. Oh no, surely not. Surely not. Oh my word. Ow. Oh my word, I can't. We have filled our 24 containers worth of... Oh my word. That's silly. That is silly. How? Okie dokie, right, and we will have a smart splitter there then. I can't. I can't. The only way I could do that is if I put it there. Or there. Put that merger back in. I don't think we've got enough room there for a smart splitter. No, we haven't. Oh, hell. What do we need? What do we need? What do we need? So that's coming out of here, that's coming out of here. Yes. So I could have that there. Then I could have a smart splitter. And there. Left will go overflow. I cannot believe that we need to put a sink in on these. Where's that? Oh, there. This is like... This seems silly to me. I need some power. I'll rob it from you a minute. There you go. 38 tickets. Oh my word. Putting nearly 10,000 in per minute. Jeez. 10,000 points a minute. Standard points. Jesus. So that should get that back all working. Cannot believe how much stuff I've made. Right, let me show you the frame ones. All the frame ones are happy days. That is working so well. So well that is. Are you actually... Oh, you are. Oh my word, you're stuck because you've got too much stuff. Oh my word. What are you waiting for? How come you go in, you're not? Seems daft that we've got all those over there and we're not using them. Flipping hell. I am... Oh my word. I'm astonished at how efficient I've made it. 24 containers that are filled... Double containers are filled with plates. That's just crazy.
Milestone reached.
Yeah.
Manufacturers can receive up to 4 inputs for the production of complex parts, such as computers and heavy modular frames, but most importantly the 2 new project parts. The modular engine and adaptive control unit are essential for the development of Phase 3 of Project Assembly. You are making good progress. The future is starting to look bright.
So we've got that then. Let's have a look. Whoa. Frames, pipes, encased beams, and screws. Damn. Yeah, we're definitely going to have to wire circuit boards of it and computers. Yeah, we're definitely going to have to get a train station sorted, I think. Let's go for that to knock it off the list, and I can have more inventory slots. Only 1,000 cable. How much room have I got? Not enough. Let's go deposit some stuff into here that I don't need anymore. Like, I don't need those. Up there. Don't need you. Might need you in a minute. Keep you on me. Don't need the resin. We need to make an encased beam. Encased beam factory. and a motor factory. See all these screws here. This needs all changing. I'm not leaving a pure node only on like 270. That's just stupid. Imagine the cable. Oh my god. 1,000 cable. Now we need 1,000 plates. Oh my word, everything's stood. Though to be fair, these haven't got a lot of... I didn't really think we need a lot of these. They can't get rid of the ingots quick enough. Because that was stood for so long. Oh my word. Oh my word. Oh my word, that's immense. Just like a sea of green lot there over there. A few yellows, but... And here, it's more yellow. I am absolutely shocked of how efficient this is. This is like the most efficient way I've ever played this. See if there's anything we can do on the man while waiting for that. What we got here? Can't do that. Can't do that either. I need to go and get some Sam. Shall we go and get some Sam? So we can finish that one off. Let's venture down and get some Sam to finish that one off. Then we're opening the dimensional depot, which we need. This is nearly done. That's just smart plate. Oh, I need to do smart plating. Oh, I need to look at that. No. Oh, I forgot about the smart plating. Look at that. Look at that. That's efficient lot. Running perfectly. We need to get some power down here. Oh, just in nick of time I activated that. Longest belts known to man. Hello, dear. Anybody here? No, even no spiders. Oh, I can hear one. There's my quartz, baby. Let's get some Sam while we're here. We'll just mine a bit of this, just so I can turn it into the reanimated Sam, so I can finish that research off. So yeah, I think next episode is going to have to be encased beams. Man, I need to get this salmon that up and all. Right, let's think about this. What do we need? We do need motors and all, which means we need the stators. Oh my word, I've got so much to do. I'll need to assess what I'm doing, and whatever I'm doing, I'll make sure I've got the all the materials needed to make what we're going to make that episode. And then we can just crack on with it. That'll be it. No need 10. Other two can go away. Go away. Let's head back. Can we get on here at any stage? Make it quicker. Yes, we can. There we go. We run like... Oh. Oh. Fell off. We get on the middle. Might not. Running like the Flash, look. Diddly. Now I'm off again. Oh my word. I want to get back on the... I'll be back at thingy at all before I know it. See, that saved me about 2.5 seconds. Bet you're really proud and impressed about that, aren't you? Is that you? Because I need you for something. I can't remember what it was. Some more there, so I'll take some more. Just look at that. Beautiful. I really do like this. This is really good, this coal one. We're nearly there. We're nearly there. Oh, premature. Oh, I got up there. Yes. Just look at it. Everything's working beautifully. That is stored because that's going to be full. We need to upgrade that and the storage to that. Our pod will return in 5 minutes. Excellent. What were I on? Alien technology. Needs wire. We ain't got no wire. As if. We go around here. Nip into here. And I'll say, I'll have 500 please. Then I want to bin. Make another 500. Shoot the send back over there. Yes. The research, man. Thank you.
SAM fluctuator recipe unlocked. The fluctuator can mimic unique communication through patterns of electric frequencies to instruct reanimated SAM to perform specific tasks or give specific restrictions, such as matter to energy conversion. It can also function as matter memory, reading the exact composition and state of a collection of matter in one location, breaking it down, and near instantly reconstructing it in another location, which has incredible potential for smart storage.
Your threads shift solid to fluid to a tapestry, matter, 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 and mind and melody.
Yes, Sam needs to get done quickly, I think. Wait for that. I forgot them in here. 46. 50. Oh. Can't do all that. I seen him. Can't. I don't think we can do that. Oh, I ain't got the resin. That we need the quartz. Or silica. I need to get the sulfur as well. I ain't done the sulfur. We not done sulfur? Have we not done sulfur? But guys, I think I will leave it there for today. Next episode we will get building something again. It was just sorting the bugs out on this episode for that power plant. So, thank you ever so much for watching. Please hit that like and that subscribe. And until next time, I shall see you all later.